the view! Let's go! Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Sitgreaves. Sound like a butler's name. Getting very cold out here. Look at that view. It's like Machu Picchu. Dude, we got Twisty City up here. This is one way to wake up. I don't even know what day it is. Oh, it's Monday morning. Jesus, this is a good Monday morning. Maybe my favorite Monday ever. I got Celine Dion playing right now. Let's go. She got a good song called I Drove All Night. That's what I'm doing right now. Route 87. It's called the S South Beeline Highway. Make a beeline for it. This thing is sweet. Has to be my favorite Monday morning of my entire life. Oh, we're heading in northern Arizona. It's getting very cold. I got my winter gloves on. But now we got some trees, which is nice. Some greenery, if you will. Not just montañas. Some fresh mountain air now. Let's see, heading to the Petrified Forest National Park. See what this is all about. Whoa, I don't like all the snakes. This road's been shat on because of all the snow, I guess, and rock salt. Good stuff. Take a look at these views now. Freaking northern Arizona. It's cold, but we've got good foliage and good mountains covered in trees. I can feel the fresh air healing my impure soul. Look at that. Ow, this road's kind of sucked though because all the rock salt from when it snows. Damn, that's not a bad view. Whoa, I wonder what mountain that is. Lush. This is an adjective I can use to describe it. Quite luscious. Lucius Ferris. This lush mountain road. Look at the sky too, it's nice and whoa, bumpy. Nice clouds. Whoa, look at that on the right. Ah! Dude, we're in it now. It's awesome. Whoa. Bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. Bumpy indeed. We've got all types of weather today's ride. We got the cold mountain tree-lined ride right now. Highway something or other. 260. Interesting indeed. Whoa! Hills are alive. The sound of music. It's awesome. Cold. Watch for elk. Some long swoopers. Oh, going up. It's gonna get cold in a minute. Yikes! I got the shivers. Shiver me timbers. Let's see the views. Oh hell yeah, dude! I might have to pull over in a minute. Nice road. Arizona just keeps on surprising. Keeps on giving. Different landscapes, different temperatures. Still a good ride though. I got my heated gloves on, medium heat. I got my vest on, medium heat. I can put a link down below because it's good to have warm gear when it's 40 degrees out. Yikes, 40 degrees out. Crisp up here. Crisp and Glover. Started today riding lower elevation. It was real warm. Now we've got layers on. The road's keeping me warm though. Look at the view. Oh, look at the view. Oh, that tree got struck by lightning or something. Yo, look at the view! Let's go! Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Oh, bumps. It's gorgeous. It's like we're rising into the gods! The land of the gods! Oh yeah. Freaking Arizona. The best state for riding. Said it. It's got everything. Where are we? Sitgreaves National Forest! Welcome, willkommen. Sitgreaves. Sound like a butler's name. A butler. Sitgreaves, Sitgreaves, Sitgreaves. Come on. There it is. Sitgreaves. Only you can prevent forest fires. Whoa, Sitgreaves. Slow it down, Sitgreaves. Interesting. Sitgreaves National Forest is northeast of Tonto National Forest, which I was at this morning. Much lower elevation, also really good roads. I could put a link to that video here. Right up there. That was a really good road too. 6-gear, switchbacks, elevation changes, but no trees, no greenery. Not like this. Arizona got it all. So I finally figured out what the flashing hazard lights mean. When the people give me the flash when they're driving towards me, it means there's a cop coming up here. Alright, I get it now. And I respect them. Alright. Those are just good people looking out for good people. I love it. The camaraderie on the hills of Arizona. Because before someone flashed me in their truck, and I was like, are they saying hi? Like when you see a motorcycle, they give you the hand signal? No, when a car gives you the flash, that means there's police ahead. Very good. They just saved me. Because I might have been going slightly faster than was listed. But we'll never know. Oh man, we're on the downhill climb of whatever national park I'm in. Siegfried or whatever it's called. Oh, it's getting warmer. This feels so good. I can feel my life blood coming back to me with every foot that we drop in elevation. Oh man. It got freezing up there, like in 30s for a minute. I was getting nervous about icing on the road. Icing on the cake. Oh man. Siegfried, whatever it's called. Oh, interesting national park. National forest. What I'm finding out is these national forests are hidden gems though. They all have really good roads and they have good scenery, good pullouts to look at stuff. It's better than the national parks. My goodness, national parks you can't fly drones in, there's too many people. It's national forests that are like situated between national parks. Those things are sweet. I think there's 63, I believe, national parks, and there's a lot more than double national forests. I think I'm gonna have to make a map of the best national forests and ride those ones too. My goodness.